What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, November 22nd. Low volume week, low volume yesterday. Kind of bounced around. We went down, bounced. So, fairly consolidated day. Almost an inside day, but anyway. So, over under is this 58.60 level. 58.61 is really what I'm watching. We are above that now. A cash open above 73, where we're at now, is going to be fairly bullish. But above this 58.61, I'm cautiously bullish. Below it, I'm cautiously bearish, but that's definitely the over-under today. Upside, the 77 maybe, possibly the 82. The big number I'm watching is this 94, 95 level for the upside target. So another 20 points from here I'd like to see. And then we could see just a 4 print, and then above that is going to be your 15, 17 level. You have your 200 still at the 40.67, and then your 100 at the 39.20. So basically, we're stuck in that range, 40.50 to 3900, basically 39.15. So this is the range, and we've just kind of been consolidating for the last several days. So we're obviously building for a move. Which way? I couldn't tell you. Do they ruin Thanksgiving and do something on Wednesday with the minutes? I don't know. But again, these weeks are crazy. So, again, very light volume. So anything that happens is going to move quickly. Hourly, look at that, 39.60 is your pivot, so that's working out perfect. 80, I like all these pivots today. But as you can tell in the hourly, we've kind of come down, but we're not moving. So everything's just kind of holding steady. Here, let's go back. Daily. Here's your daily, right? The trend line that everybody and their mother has. And then there's your 200 at 40.67. So we've come up, and we're just kind of so 39.09 is still your POC on a 2-year volume. And again, this is coinciding with that 40.70 level. That's an old level. I don't know if anybody remembers that one, but that was a huge level from Christmas past. So anyway, this is kind of where we're at. I don't know if this goes up or if this goes down. Here's your weekly, 36.29 is your 200 on the weekly. This is just something I keep an eyeball out because we dropped down, we hit it, and we've bounced back up. So if we were to come back down, this would be somewhat of a target that I would be watching for that. Again, I have a TA, whatever. That's just for reference. Anyway, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. Euro had a big down day yesterday, full point, and it's a little bit higher today. 300 ticks up, so that's somewhat of a rebound. We'll see what happens with that. Nothing good is happening in Europe, but that doesn't mean that this is gonna go to zero. Although I don't think it should be at this level anyway. British pound. Kind of holding steady up here at 118, 119. So cash gap from Friday to Monday, 65 to 62. So that's a possibility today, something to watch out. 91 to 82, that's also a possibility to watch out. I don't think this big guy is going to be hit, and definitely not that guy. If this guy hits, we all die. Other than that, I think we've got speakers. What do we have today? It was nothing yesterday, and then Mester speaks at 11 a.m. George speaks, whoever the hell that is, and then Bullard's not bullish. Whenever he speaks, things go bad. So 2:15 and 2:45. So there are speakers today that can ruin your day. So please watch out for that. On the economic calendar, here's the Esther George at 2:15. That's all I have today. And then tomorrow, of course, your monster doozy with everything coming out. So tomorrow's going to be nuts. Again, we could have a consolidation date again today. That wouldn't surprise me. And then basing for a move to tomorrow. Or we have a false move today for those in the know to get entries into the move for tomorrow. So both scenarios could be accurate. I would definitely play safe. Again, very low volume, so this can really whip. And there hasn't been follow through. There was no follow through yesterday. Any down break kind of popped, and then it was just a chop shit fest. So just be careful. I see, those will work in environments like this, but any crazy move. Relvol's 81, it was like 65, so it seems to be a little higher today. But anyway, be safe, and if you see profit, take profit. Don't stick around and wait.